Hi, this is Arun Kumar, lecturer in Commerce, Government Degree College for Men's Srikakulam. Today, I would like to discuss a very important topic in income tax, that is the deductions under section 80C to 80U. I hope my video will be very much useful to all the BCom and MCom students who are studying income tax as one of their subject. Okay, now what does this deductions is all about? See, every individual SSC wants to earn income, but nobody wants to pay the taxes to the government. So tax planning is very important concept in availing such deductions. Now what are the deductions are all about? Now why these deductions are so important for an SSC? Now, as per the Income Tax Act 80C to 80U under Chapter 6A, these are the deductions which are allowed from the gross total income. Now, why these deductions are so useful? So, by reducing the chargeable income or taxable income, these provisions, that is the deductions, help a individual taxpayer or SSC to reduce the tax liability by reducing his post-tax income. Therefore, to induce the taxpayers to act in a desirable manner, the government is giving such deductions. Now my video is all about how to use such deductions so that an SSC can reduce his tax burden. Now before we go into the computation of net total income, the heads of incomes can be classified into four categories. The first one is income from salaries, second is income from house property, third income from business or profession, fourth income from capital gains, and fifth is in other sources. When you club together all the five heads of incomes, the income so arrived can be termed as gross total income. Now from the gross total income, to arrive at total income, SSC is given a chance of showing some deductions under Chapter 6A, that is under section 80C to 80U. Finally, we can arrive at the total income, which is also called as taxable income, on which the tax liability of every SSC is based. Now, what are the basic rules to avail the deductions under section 80C to 80U? The first rule says the aggregate amount of all the deductions that are computed from section 80C to 80U should not exceed more than the gross total income. And here the gross total income will also exclude all the long-term capital gains and short-term capital gains and casual incomes like winnings from lottery, crossword puzzles, etc. Now, if an SSC wants to claim such deductions, these deductions will be allowed only if SSC has the proof of such investments or expenditure or income made by him. So unless he submits the proof or written document, he cannot claim the deductions under this section. Now, what are the various categories of such deductions? Now, broadly, the deductions can be classified into four categories. The first are that they are given to encourage savings.